But today, our immigration system is broken, and everybody knows it.
President Obama said he had to act after Congress failed to pass comprehensive immigration reform. His November 2014 executive actions, deferring deportations for millions of undocumented immigrants, are the focus of a lawsuit brought by 26 states, arguing the president does not have the power to change immigration law. The lawsuit has now reached the Supreme Court, where the U.S. government will argue Monday the executive actions provide direction for the federal government to use its authority to prioritize immigration decisions.
It's not a green card. It's not path to citizenship. All it says is that we're going to tolerate your presence in the U.S. and we're not going to make you a priority for deportation.
Analyst Angela Kelly says President Obama is only following the example of previous Democratic and Republican administrations.
It is exclusively the domain of the federal government to decide who gets to stay and who has to go.
Congressional Republicans filed briefs supporting the lawsuit, alleging the president's action overreaches.
All the states are trying to do is ask the federal government carry out its obligations faithfully under the Constitution, to carry out, basically to say no one person can be a judge, a jury, and also a lawmaker at the same time.
Opponents say the president's actions also have troubling implications for the limits of executive power.
You have now one political party that is saying we're going to double down on that and basically exclude Congress, exclude the American people, and not really worry what they have said about the rules.
The absence of a ninth Supreme Court justice after the death of Justice Antonin Scalia in February could result in a split 4-4 decision, sending the issue back to lower courts. Or the court could delay until a ninth justice is selected. The Supreme Court will announce the decision in June. Katherine Gibson, VOA News, Washington.